How's it going, Power Stoke Nation? It is super early, that's why I'm being kind of quiet. It's 6:30 in the morning right now. I'm running a little bit behind. We got to go meet up with Brent. We're going to Cars and Coffee up in Wilsonville, and it's a Porsche day, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to go check that out. And yeah, let's go. All right, guys, it looks like we beat Brent. Yeah, so we'll just sit here, wait for Brent to show up, and then we'll be off.
I thought I heard him. How's it going? Good. You ready?
Yeah. Run inside and grab some stuff.
All right, sounds good. Solid. Pretty good.
Alright, guys, I didn't record my intro on the way out, but that was Cars and Coffee. That was absolutely a blast. It was fun to ride around with Brent and the Porsche. But that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video.